Episode for GC News. Meba Obibia Akwaba. Ahade latest and hot news kwa Aremeyaw Bremo. Anuti se wunya subscribe to channel na bomodia se over subscribe. The over ya se over click the subscribe button no. Na wabeli notification no. We ya sa new video be upload no. When the first person what's that ebeka sa video afi we na wa like video no, give us a thumbs up na fi share ma ofofroso na wonya bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memoa afi yemhwe ye ensemo abeto yebno so eye abranti bi aye friend Angel Boakye Ofori Atta chese wo ye part of Akufo Addo ebusuan na ye former finance minister ye Ken Ofori Atta chese wo kan ebusuan ho na wo no wo transdin na wo hwede ne nkrofo na ye Ghana na chese neman ko yie no ababontin abekasa ene watutu bi dia mane ya Akufo Addo ne Ken Ofori Atta ne Gabby mu nyina awode ensam dodo na ara ena atudwa afo no ho wo kire se ono amiri obeye campaign ebeboa party no na party ni ba be mo hwesika woni wia ne ne ekoso na de bo enyo so ene wababontin ene wabeye party no pasa eye Ken Ofori Atta Akufo Addo Gabby ene wode wan ho nsem atudwa na tetema yeko eye abranti yakachi na yenkuti ensem a wo prugu honum efa eye Akufo Addo na wode ensem ebra atudwa tetema yenkuti no
enema eye ma party no abrabo nimdie ni nyansa edu party ye sika ni ahode hwema no ye kama no firi honum ye wo me sikan because of this party me papa ye bu no wo chebi na enkofo bi ayomadwe so omode omu hia che obi. We want Ghana to succeed. Boys are bread. We are going to organize a demonstration for the foot soldiers. Tell my phone executives so much since 92 and then you want me to cry. Sometimes no more titi power and I'm for some more to me no. No be anymore. We be maybe a movie. Can you check that couldn't want movie in a mobile? No, I'm understand me. We are going to do what is right for Ghana and what is right for the party. So mbakuye omunkuye. Kofu abanhye huye o. Atame osabaye huye. Mahama abaye huye. Jerry Rollins abaye huye. Ghana was for all of us. Me dry twa otchere. Me dry twa otumfo. The air cost the air time. And what sort of greediness? Na mo de mbo se mutum nshuru gu abontindin sawa shem. Ukohwe Bawumia sebi ye kremefo ho nomko. Basa, Akufo Addo nye foko emorchimai. Not one single thing. How can somebody do a deal, Agyapadie, a conflict of interest? Ladies and gentlemen, we've got some information and we're putting out there. Masa, at this year and Emma Nkwa AD Adie. Emma Omo enjoy privilege. Ebe kache is a privilege, a stress. Yanwan say na me kwasi asama kwakwa ye be gina mu fie che waka che say efie ne mu fie na e kan say so won kan so bi ma momba abofunu wo ba e na mu da e tashi ngwa wo ma me kra na efie a wo dam no mpeso be da wo ne dem o do to boys quarters a kwan a wofa so call law school a kwan a wofa so ye nyema ye ni nyina o masa a bibi a goka papa enjechira edija eya tama na ye de ye kra ene ye hoode eto one party na munika pre akwa bi no ti wa no ya kasesem ne atutu asem na na iri nurse ewo America no isaniska Okodi drug dealer here and oto a Chrysler man so to kawano and akwana so di ni resu di ni re and I didn't say me buy onya yanyan kwala. We've been through, we've done that when we're doing some freaking shit for the party and yema party no abrabo nimdie ni nyansa edu party ye sika ni ahode hwema no ye kama no firi honum ye wo me sikan because of this party me papa ye bu no wo chebi dike Boakye wo ko ye tutu ni tiri autis ye bu no double man ni zoe os one man nipa tongrem. The first time I ever got arrested because my family made 1.8 million cedis 1991. And the bray Akwachi. And I mean, because you Obuasi gold and Konongo gold mines. Because my mom had equipment at Konongo gold mines and Obuasi gold mines. Nana Boakye Ansa, meaning what you see, your main funny crown tour. We gave it to the government. We made boys are bread. I started Invisible Forces, Delta Forces. I said Delta, what do you call it? What's the name of the company? The I. The I triggered down with Truman, Savannah, all these guys. We started things. Nothing happened. Oroku, at a week, number three, spending over $35,000 for the party. And you'll be a sicko. I never went to anybody for money. These elections, last minute, scam me say no. Obedient me and mommy capre. Because the love of the party or the love of Akufo Addo. Now, and Kofobi, I am my so much, or moon here, Chobi. Obi to be spending 2.3 million away a year. Whatever he spends is his own cup of tea. Master, we want Ghana to succeed. Now, the Obreen Odi, boys are bread. We are going to organize a demonstration for the foot soldiers. I just say, boys are bread. And confirm bread. Oh my, the campaign. Charm my phone, executives of DHS since 92. And then you want me to credit. And these people, they know us by name. Sometimes no one more titi power and no more for some more to me. No be anymore. We be any maybe a movie. God, you check that couldn't want to move in a mobile. No, everyone understand me. Yo, we are going to do what is right for Ghana and what is right for the party. So, Mbukuye or Munkuye. Me dry twa or chihne. Me dry twa or 2-4. The air cost the air time. And what sort of greediness? Now, when you must have to Monshu go up on tending sour ship. Sabi, I'm a wukot baby. I before one of Domokoe. Uko here Bawumia. Sabi, young criminal for one of Domoko. Now, when you achieve for the Achibum watch him. And then. Now, baby, who give me bread? Now, I'll go for contract. Who could do no appeal? So, one fresh Nyanu for ya. Contract, no go baby. And then. Kofua Banshe Huyo. Atamo Sabaye Huye. Jomahama Baye Huye. Now, Oshe Jerry Jorol is Abaye Huye. Ghana was for all of us. Mundi Niama to 2 years. Chesa Mudidi. Company Bakubi Okroma. Deals I should be a winning home. Your family be your spread. Bonds are more torn than they get what we call yield spread. How can somebody do a deal, so-called a Agyapadie, conflict of interest? Now we go to a company, that company one London you are also affiliated with. Hey, now we move for Ghana for a Jimmy Sana. Masa, Papa no tiaku ya so Akufo Addo. Na dwi da fom omo modi na chi e no mo bua no edi na bron up till now ochiman mu no yetimi nya bibia ma ochiman mo so am se ochiman o basa Akufo Addo nya foko e mo ochiman not one single thing yo odia to oni ade me ni abrofo bi ko che bi abrofo na se mo busa me ne say again, the president I am watching by. And I'm so you could next time obey. And also, what is the guarantee? Say about next time. And the Akufo Addo and next time. Why you share watching my? Nothing. You will come see me and carry on the bokiti. Most of mo yeri no ma masemo mo navufo mo tu mo nsu go abontam ya sa wa hye masa ya bre mo bekuya mo nkuye ye ka. I'm angel na ya Boakye Danko Ofori Atta o wa hini yadom. Kwame Danko Ofori Atta me ba mo platform mu yi mi free so enne me benipam. Ya tradia tro. Ya mamu guye mase Ghana by si ya hwe nie ma fe ne siwa. Wa hwe Ofori Atta bien na Akufo Addo bien na obedi aban biem. But we are leaving a legacy for our children. We won't let you guys destroy us because of your selfish ambitions and goals. Masa, na men come home. Na se man se sound man nye nyama ya. Ya nana mo be bre eka yabo. Eka. Company now worth about 200 or 100 and something $million. It's now worth about $1.8 million. And then kwana mope. Those via moko bia mo nim se mo am krofo mo twam ho hia no. Omo an the information ni ba. Na se mo to mo suru bra mo dia. Mo ma aban ne mo ana BBC. Hono mbo information aye dey enka ho ene ye ma mo life. E kira no ana e kira no. E ma mo dey call. Masa, asuma make on behalf of the country, on behalf of Achimai, on behalf of Asante me ma media kria brefio say tutu. No pa Kwame Danko Ofori Atta me Asantini ya Achimni. And this assembly to be a men crow for a muhu one de kumi. Motiana yam friend ya grobi. Aden na yam reman kwasi afo medi. Addition and nanti from na enquantra pokoso. It's enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We will bring out their deals, their transactions. Just private just on more form of Sanya Mako. 419 we know everything. The fund is that it's our boys. It's our people. They just the private just on more fund the Konya Mako in yeah, for. They will try to intimidate me. They will try to kill me. But in my crown crowd, baby, I'm in Ghana for Monfabo crew. We are here for good, and we're going to make it happen for the future generations. It doesn't matter whether you think you are worth 400 million, 500. Master, obi friend me. Me am a busheni. A friend say, "Mammy, family home, and mammy come and want some." And so, Kojo asase wo works and housing. I will come to Manabushia for Echo Tree. I buy asase. Oh, yeah, me say, or Mako trees. I may from Moko. Or catch themselves, my shabuya. They will fuck me up. Or be fair me. I have the recording. And catch themselves, if I do, they will put a bullet in my head. Or he knows what nobody said anything. Not a person. They made the case lie. When somebody threatened my life and threatened my brother's life, what sort of government? When did we start gathering people? When did the Akufo Addo, who was supposed to stand for freedom, rights, integrity, and credibility, start fighting people? What the hell are we talking about? This is Ghana. This is Ghana. I'm ready to stand up against everybody. Sammy, I'm not doing it for myself. I'm doing it for Ghana. I chim for the Osei, the Ofori Attas, and I chim for or Chiltaku Munham. There was a time when my brothers and other things started talking. They claimed that I was the one behind it. I wasn't the one behind it, but this time my name is Angel Nanaya Ofori Atta. Shortly Angel Ofori Atta. I am talking. We know those are money, baby. We know everything. And the Munkwana Medidi. Ah, Muko ye Agyapadie mo di achimfo kwa Owusu. Na sanfo no mo no moji mo ni nyansa ho. Ah? Muko evaluate and appraise the value of the gold in Ghana. You did it at $1 billion. But the original appraisal was about 6 point something billion dollars. I'm never seeing Jimmy. Huh? appointment that is going on in his cabinet is connected to one person. The ministers is connected. Hey, master. Whatever inferiority or whatever complexes you guys have, no. And you can't motivate you anymore. The things you guys couldn't do it for all your life, you are trying to use it 5 years or 8 years to achieve everything. And then, yeah, break. And then, can you be better? Muya, Mupa, Munya, me, yeah, break. The drew the idea, maybe not way, my drew, me will answer the America say. Maybe I'm the number. Munya, me, more busy, acquire friends, glass and wine, Casa. This is the voice within. We are going to also talk. Yes, some me any mwasi. Yes, some will be a yabobra and yesika bua party. Yesika wo masa. 2007, me bagana beye campaign. Mind je campaign for be out. 2008, I did campaign. Me ko ina me mortgage company worth millions of dollars ago. But we lost. And I went back and revived myself. 2012, when the congressmen and senators came to Ghana, we invested. And the boys were moving much. I said, move for Biayashi, move and Kwasiafo, yes, men. Oblaka say, yes, I'm not going to know. More than Kwasiafo, what Jimmy attitude to ministries. Attitude to Babia, say, I'm not going to sound with me, Casa. Obia won't much. Naka, I then fair. Asante Foka, Obi Padia Akoto Nina bro. Somebody and when you pay change the positions, the appointments. And then I can say, as when I'm so be aqua. Yeah, about your guys say, Obi above your fro. What you want? Oba ye who now she chalote no rasta and no fee. Oba ye who. Ohene munja ya mokano. Na miaka zakamo.
What sana mono to know. You have no right to usurp on it and say that decision should be, hanging. It should be held on. Because from the MPP or more constitution, which I believe strongly say, they drew inferences from the 1992 constitution regards Article 97 clause 1G and H, right? Enti anu no modi be share omon e no modi adi dwuma na ya no makoye reference say time amaka tell you no na dia buy so NDC ebi to omo. Did you hear say NDC actual letter command then speaker say on pam no ana say onyi no fi parliament ana say bibisa they were silent mo na makopem ho asem o tiny a friend say me hu dia menka no nti mo President Ankasa Eko Formina MP in person so Eko ye campaign etia no. Say of friends or person in Kasa so ma nti omon to abantia no. General Secretary den Owura Jombodu enso by say wo ne crop of our win. Ye mpe wo ne wo adwuma because they were cocksure say nipa no omode ne kwa impose on Formina for no omode atu asiama no obenwene. Ena ye kwoto aban na santan asiama de no ohuro gina wo kom. Ena mo ankasa Mwakofa kuntrua asese omebua mu na mundi mujuma. Ena mpanso negotiations course no normal de ye nim. But at least the beto odwade ye nim say omaye pamon constituency chairman. Ema chairman so no so de kan say what's me step down here. Ene ye mam so to make an mame. Na de ono for me na MP no wonya ye esuma asem de ye te ha no ye nim, right? We cannot even allege. So wonya bibi anaso wonya bibi. But ye nyina na ye te o mamu. Ye nim de koso. Right? Inti say where sida na say biasi amamra na kan ho asem des people and na mo anka some constitution so kan ho asem people sina ye didi mo a mo say da ye dimrika eko Supreme Court akọ interpret say ye hear interpretation mami asem emena I will not be surprised say speaker will be parliament he will have his version so see in the minds of the former majority, no. Omufi said they are still majority because Supreme Court I can't say you hold on. Don't forget, say San Crawford seat was declared vacant by the speaker. Owura former MP no siama ono so ne seat was declared vacant by a speaker. They declared it vacant no na omba parliament. And these people sa enai they are very much aware of the consequences of coming to sit in parliament. You almost close omo maho. Until they know that their seat would automatically, once they have declared their intention to contest independent or to join a party, they have forfeited their membership to their parties or to their independency. Until one can say, "Omo maho." Until who can say, "Yen hold you on." Do you or are you insinuating say they should come back to parliament, Anna? So yes, sir, have you adjudicated justice onto this issue? You cannot call somebody who has forfeited his or her membership of the party that brought him or her to parliament. Baby say on Simra when indeed he is still not part of the party. It doesn't make sense to me as a layman. Into omodi omo famra no wadre na etua yonko hu awse etua duam na omodi omo nkone saa na emre ye ni nkaso bibia wone mre enna me ne obi wo station ba kwa nopa wose mo be hu mo de mo te ha mo be hu de besi ye meetings na numbers no ye be make sure say Ghana Freedom Party or mon stand ye be shift number na ho na mo be hu because ye that number 1 na o pese mbodi panidi
anka utumre na nka wa kire si monidin
mame meko station bia no pa o pe amebodi station din ama because ha enye omunti na membo ba me de ma wa na wo de me no ti ha ya me de ma wa hu na wa ye wa komo start this morning's program and na nipa ne kan say maybe me nim de me kan
na we team the station any time amadia set you ko check be wudi back
that be say
anybody back road
and make just a station where different from that station
and yes station yes body back road
massa me Wednesday me kokot nti em fa
on be court from me see the one more court
me wudi de me ko ma me ko no bra me hafa nti mame Chief Justice Tokono ne rulings or the buy ama Jerry bo ni nyina na say Net FM mo bo ni nyina no pa no me tie sadam say aya na sometimes ya tie kire ye ni legal background no na ye aye te say na nye bia ma be say wo hu ni pa ye ni yodon otu me hu enti me meti ha no ma dwa mprekisin yo say kanda pa kan ye na play out na say dey because mo yesa e ma ya njimu ndi o say pa
muni
mame wo de ma emfa jechi question case no kranya example Supreme Court to say and I said Attorney General work yen oman ye lawyer no wasi emfa no mra court da bia mame that end of your friends Kweku Annan JB danko adukura nipa ya chi no ye demba court every day mo se jechi question omra court every day me wa mo nkasa mo nim say papa ne ye bibia pepe ba for the sake of COVID and ade delay kakra mo de mo say enye excuse na mo de it is enough excuse for you to blame COVID on your woes regards the economy e ho na chi magine yemra owura jakpa ne owura Kesilato force so accept look at the way I call it prekesia beto odwasa Attorney General kra wo she jakpa kutupa say ko kese na ye njawo anase mpesa wuye se na anase koji hospital excuse duty no wo hwe we mu nyina ma be wo ti abonten a na wa de ato ho so se wan krokra ho na se ukonya asem wo court la maame ebia na wudi bimo nanso so called technicalities anase obi ni sika wo penti no ye betumi abua asem na tia maame in conclusion no come here say in my opinion I'm beginning to think say these days no your man Nkrofo portfolio, they use it as a cash cow. Because you see, if it is the case that some people are being pushed to do things that are going on in this country, don't assume say they do it for free. Something must have changed hand. Anything na nipano because why do we want to turn it? One of them, His Excellency Dr. Nanado Danko Akufo Addo, or Pamo Demolevono, na Supreme Court and as a court no omo nim say president need for also omo twintwa assembly so omo fa offense atembo na mad down till about almost 3 years or so And on Bebu as a president, the different your own constitutional. Such an any pan will call that Sanko Wobia or Wuda. You understand? Inti, I don't know how different the Supreme Court will interpret Article 97, 1 clause H and
so let us wait for them to
exactly the case. But the most important is that we are waiting for what Babin will say when your friend is saying Parliament resumes or is open.
From months down for date in my time at Parliament. We almost see early November. Early November could be the first week. Right.
Early November. When are the better?
I think
Supreme Court now directed say be early November.
No. Back
or maybe ruling on that particular
on the issue, in early November. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm praying, say Supreme Court should make the ruling before Parliament.
They know the reasons out. They know their date. They are more there. Baby, some one person. They know what they are doing. Intianom na mi ye mubi no a high because young cannot correct the way we are seeing our setup no and assessor too much and another danko Akufo Addo.
Yo, waiting for waiting and some year a branchy. I friend no angel Boakye Ofori Atta, which I say waka Ofori Atta busiano ho na no na wada in some do na already just say Kwaku Akufo Addo na buy one say o mai ni ma ekosoro and no na worry act wada in some do na already. Meka say so when you subscribe to channel ya bomodi say obe subscribe so say hadie latest and hot news and kwa Aremeyaw bro afi we na wa like video and give us a thumbs up na fe share ma ofoforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu en somewhere ekoso e wo Ghana mema wo betimi a chere wadwen afa ye nsem we gira ho e wo comment box ni mu mo beti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.